All right, Tono here again under this 2008 Subaru Outback 2.5 automatic trans. Scenario was took to a local trusted mechanic who said I needed an axle change. So I asked him if he used Subaru parts. He said yes. And then about 6 months, 8 months later, I started getting some noise. Growling noise, humming noise. Take it back to him. He's pointing at everything else but the axle. So I asked him again, did you use the Subaru part? He says yes. So bottom line, went to diagnose with said wheel. If the wheel bearing was making noise, there is some play in it, not a whole lot. But I'm under the car now. I couldn't really tell from the get-go which axle was which, but this one I've now proven to be the Subaru axle. As you can see, or listen, in and out play is very little, and out front and back play is absolutely zero. And so that one's the green. Now this is the one he put in. Don't know who it's made by. I just know now that it's aftermarket, and taking this guy and moving it. Hear that? That's out and that's right to left, and this is up and down. So we've got play, and so according to the dealer, if there's play in there, it's going to put extra stress on the bearing, and so thus we end up buying new bearing to replace. And there's the Subaru part. And I guess one of the ways that you can tell is that it's green on the end and not black or silver or anything else. So word to the wise, the proper Subaru axle does affect bearings, and thus I got to go back to that mechanic and see if he wants to make right with me or not. We'll find out. Wish me luck.